Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm here working on a '08 Dodge Charger. It was involved in a collision. I'm here removing the starter. Here's the new one. Okay, oh shit. Didn't want that. Okay, and here's the old one. Okay. So, basically, I found it's something in here, down here, that's broken. I might not be able to get on the camera, but it runs up under the lip of this circle piece right here. Okay, so I want to show y'all how I got this starter out here. This is a 3.5 liter high output engine. I want to show you guys how I got it out, and of course I looked on YouTube and things of that nature to see the easiest way, because it was a pain in the ass, and man, but I saw the exhaust, remove the steering wheel, and just all type of stuff, man. But I'm gonna show you something, and I think I cracked the code. Okay, so let's see if I can flip this camera over. No. So, okay, this is where I got the starter out of the Charger, the 3.5. Okay, you can see where the starter once was. Okay, all I did was move this line over, push it out the way. Of course, some antifreeze is going to come out. You can see that it's still got a little drip going on. A lot more is going to come pouring out. Well, actually, I'm laying in the shit. Fuck. But oh damn it. Okay. So I moved the line. I dropped the bolts on the rack. Okay. This is the bolt. Okay, goes in that way. The nuts on the going towards the back. Okay, so drop that. So the rack's actually lower than what it's actually supposed to be, because I removed the nut to also on the shaft way up there. Not this one, not this one. Okay, I didn't. So you can see it's actually still in there. Okay. So the one way up there, so, you know, it's not, you know, too up there, but you'll actually see it's a 10mm bolt. You take that right out, it drops down a little bit more, and that's it, guys. Slide this trans line over a little bit. You can see I still have that pin on it. I did remove another pin. It goes, the bolt goes there. I'm going to point to it. The bolt goes here. Okay? And that was for the radiator line. Okay, so you have to take that and then take the clamp and remove the clamp. You see the clamp on the hose, and you see it'll slide. Slide back. Simple, guys. Simple. I thought it was gonna be hell, man. I'm all in the back playing back here, what everybody else said, man. Fuck that. Right here, slides right out. I was able to unbolt it. You see the wires for the alternator, I mean the starter, excuse me, right there. The same way, going back up. You're welcome.